Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how to fix this error. Location is not available, the disk structure is corrupted and unreadable. So in this video we are going to fix this issue. So let's start the video. First, open command prompt. So click on this search box and type cmd. Then right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Now you have to type a command to repair your drive. So the command will be chkdsk space /f space. Then you have to type your drive letter. So my drive letter is G. So I have to type G, then colon. So you have to type your drive letter here. Okay, after that press enter and this will try to repair your drive. Okay, now cut this window and restart your system. In the most cases this command will help you to fix this issue, but if you are still getting the same issue or you are not able to access your drive, the second method you can apply is right click on the drive, go to properties, after that click on this security tab. Now here you have to click on edit. Now select everyone and then give the permission, so tick allow. Okay, then click on apply, click on continue, and that's it. You can see now I can access this drive and all the data remains safe. So these are the two methods you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.